What's up, everyone, and welcome to another daily episode where we're going to talk about a malicious Chrome extension stealing your credentials. If you don't learn anything else from this episode, you just might learn where to focus more attention to protect yourself and others from this threat.
Oh, drat these computers. They're so naughty and so complex. I could pinch them.
A North Korean-backed threat group tracked as Kim Suki is using a malicious browser extension to steal emails from Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge users reading their webmail. The extension, dubbed SHARPEXT by Volexity researchers who spotted this campaign in September, supports 3 Chromium-based web browsers, Chrome, Edge, and Whale, and can steal mail from Gmail and AOL accounts. Who still uses AOL? The attackers installed the malicious extension after compromising a target's system using a custom VBS script by replacing the preferences and secure preferences files with ones downloaded from the malware's command and control server. So, via a spear phishing email, the attackers convince you to, say, open a file that runs a local custom VBS script that downloads and replaces your PC's existing browser preferences and custom preferences, or secure preferences, with ones they downloaded from their command and control system. Once the new preferences files are downloaded on the infected device, the web browser automatically loads the SHARPEXT extension. The malware directly inspects and exfiltrates data from a victim's webmail account as they browse it, Volexity said. Since its discovery, the extension has evolved and is currently at version 3.0 based on the internal versioning system. As Volexity further revealed, this latest campaign aligns with previous Kim Suki attacks, as it also deploys the SHARPEXT in targeted attacks on foreign policy, nuclear, and other individuals of strategic interest in the United States, Europe, and South Korea. By taking advantage of the target's already logged in session to steal emails, the attack remains undetected by the victim's email provider, thus making detection very challenging if not possible. So you don't see anything, nothing extra happens, no alerts from your browser or your web client. The attackers are silently sucking up your email or your private emails. Again, if you're viewing your email via web browser and not say Outlook, and you're using AOL or Gmail. Also, the extension's workflow will not trigger any suspicious activity alerts on the victim's accounts, like I just said, which ensures that the malicious activity will not be discovered by checking webmail accounts, say, status page for alerts. So your screen doesn't shake or buzz, nothing happens in the browser. Again, they're just silently sucking your private emails up if you get infected with this extension. The North Korean threat actors can use SHARPEXT to collect a wide range of information using various commands. This is not the first time the North Korean app group has used browser extensions to harvest and exfiltrate confidential data from targets' breached systems. As NetScout's assert team said in December 2018, a spear phishing campaign orchestrated by Kim Suki pushed a malicious Chrome extension since at least May 2018 and attacks targeting a large number of academic entities across multiple universities. CISA itself has issued an alert focused on the group's tactics, techniques, and procedures, TTPs, highlighting the group's use of malicious browser extensions to steal credentials and cookies from victims' web browsers. And that's the news. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you haven't already, and smash the bell if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next episode. Take care.